Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic where I have received many messages to make a video on this particular topic. So my today video is all about how to prevent early puberty in the girls. The main reason having early puberty in the girls is sedentary lifestyle. So sedentary lifestyle is the culprit of having early puberty. Because of sedentary lifestyle, the girls are not sitting on the floor. Their uterus part is not getting any stretches, any exercise. So that is the main reason they are getting early puberty. And another main reason is having lot of hormone mixed food. Milk, there are a lot of hormones are mixed to increase the productivity of these products. So that is the main reason which is giving the early puberty in the girls. What you need to do, you need to take care of your girls by being mindful, being aware about these things, that if you are going to give them milk or egg, then try to give them organic milk, organic eggs, which doesn't have harmful hormones, disturbs their hormone system. So try to be very particular choosing the food item which you're going to give to your girls especially. Another thing, you need to take care of their lifestyle, the sleeping hours, because being with the sun cycle regulates our hormones. If you have a tradition in your house sleeping very late and waking up very late, then it will disturb girls' hormones. If the girls are constipated and not passing the stool on time and properly, then they might have the hormonal imbalance issue as well. So now try to take care of their food intake, try to take care of their sleeping hours. So make sure you start teaching them eating healthy food, lot of fruits, vegetables, and fruits and vegetables also you choose wisely, because lot of pesticides mixed in the vegetables and the fruits. So you just wash them properly or buy organic fruits and vegetables. So these are the precautions you need to take in the food and the lifestyle. Also from yogic perspective, you can ask them to sit in malasana or garland pose every morning for 5 minutes. Ask them to do Surya Namaskara practice. Ask them to do super brain yoga. I have already posted a video. I'm going to put the link in the description on Surya Namaskar practice, on super brain yoga, and also the squatting position, which we call it malasana, is very good. So you ask them to often sit on the floor for doing their homeworks, for doing any household work or any artwork. If they're doing, then ask them to sit on the floor. The more they sit on the floor and get up frequently, the pelvic area will be activated and they will not have hormonal imbalance issue. Try to include these things in the daily routine. Also, I'm going to give you few acupressure points and few tapping therapies which you can ask your girls to do on daily basis to prevent the early puberty. So ask them to do one practice which can be done anytime in the playing mode, where they just cross their fingers such a way and just do this movement probably 100 to 500 times an entire day. This will take care of their uterus part, because here we find the uterus area in this whole area in both the hands. So this is one of the practice you can ask them to do. Also, if you're a mother, you can ask your girls to do these practice along with you, because these practices are good for you also. If you're facing menopause or if you're into your period cycle, then it will regularize your periods, and also it will release the tension from your pelvic area. So try to do these practices with your girls. Along with this, you can ask them to do one mudra just for 5 to 7 minutes anytime. Is this mudra where you spread all the 2 fingers like this and put the tip of the thumb at the center of this point. This is the uterus area, and make a fist in both hands, form this mudra, and just keep this mudra 5 to 7 minutes, also enough for the girls to have their periods regular and also stop the early puberty. So just ask them to do this mudra on daily basis. Another thing, you can ask them to massage this area. This is the uterus and ovary area. So you just massage this area nicely, probably for a minute or 2 every day. You can also use some oil on this area and massage this area nicely for 2 to 3 minutes in both the hands. Only these many practices can bring lot of change and your girls will not have early puberty. You can teach them these practices from the age of 7 or 8, because nowadays I see they are getting their puberty in the age of 9 and 10. So you need to ask them to do these practices from the age 7. Also, if you can put them in some yoga classes, then it will be very, very good for their entire health. Not only this problem, they will be a very healthy adults going forward. So doing yoga on regular basis will take care of their this early puberty problem. And also, if they have got the puberty and if any problem related to PCOD, PCOS, irregular periods, pains in the period, this will be taken care of by these practices only. Also, I have yoga therapy classes available in online mode for all the teens, girls and the kids. So you can find the details in the description. So that's it for now. If you're looking for any other video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment box. And if you're looking for any courses like acupressure therapy, mudra therapy, face yoga therapy, or any meditation course, then do visit my website www.yogawithshakti.com. That's it for now. Thank you everyone.